Evil Empire, laughing all the way to the
Welcome back, JD and Jamzter Sqauders. Happy New Year! I know I'm late. We're probably in February right now, but Happy New Year to the family, brothers and sisters out there, all my car enthusiasts, all my subscribers, fans, whatever you want to say. Just Happy New Year. Blessed to see another year. Blessed to see another day. And yeah, and I'm pretty sure you guys been waiting for this video for the longest. And I know a few people that's hit me up, a few homeboys that hit me up asking, when is this gonna happen? Well, it's gonna happen. So yes, we are working on the Z. This will be a 300ZX Z32Z video. And I know you guys been waiting for this for so long, but let's just fast forward to it right now. I'm headed to the Z right now, and I will show you what I will be doing. And maybe I probably said it in the title already, but hey, I'm gonna be self-explanatory. Well, no, sorry, I'm gonna explain myself anyways. So yeah, just give me like 2 seconds, like now. All right, we're here. So yeah, man, we're back in the Z. It's been a while. Well, it's been a while for you guys, but I've been back here for like a few weeks, working on the Z and stuff. And this is what I'm currently working on. And it's a little thing that's been needing, and I'm pretty sure all Z1 guys would need. All right, so I've already opened it already, but yeah, let's just show what I got here. Yes, sir. As you can see, it is a new short throw shifter and newly innovated Z32 or maybe Z31, not sure. Z32 shifter bracket plate. So it looks amazing. I got this by my boy in like a Z32 chat on IG. His company is MFS Designzzzz. Nobody has this. From what I know, nobody has this, right? If you guys need this, go on his site. It's right there. MFS Designzzzz. Okay? This will replace the metal boot with the metal bracket with the rubber boot. We don't need that no more. There won't be no more deteriorating over time, none of that stuff. This will replace all that. You don't need anything else. And then also it comes with a new long short throw shifter. Comes with all the pieces. It's literally bolt up, plug and play. Oh, can't let this blow away. And it has the washer. You cannot lose this. This is very important. Make sure you have these two pieces. Like this is gonna change everything. Z1, get out my boy. Get out my come on, bro. Hasn't done this yet. Why do we need to go back to rubber bushings for when rubber deteriorates over time and it's just gonna end up breaking again? He made something that's Z1. Just saw my boy, bro. I'm gonna put his IG, everything site is right there, bro. Like Z1, give this man a contract. Like, come on. I got it. It didn't look like this. It didn't come like this. I got a power coder, by the way. You know, but my boy can't remember his name, but I'm gonna put his IG right here too. That's powder coating. You know, I chose the red and stuff, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, long story short, yeah, bro, y'all need to get at this. Every Z32 guy needs this. If you guys haven't done anything yet, like I said, I'm pretty sure nobody else has this done. Nobody. And we're gonna end up installing it today. All right, guys. So yeah, like I was saying, yeah, Z1, get out my boy. That is so innovative. Like no more rubber bushing that deteriorates over time. And you strictly just have a plate that's just gonna be there, and it just replaces the boot, all that stuff and everything. So yeah, get up my boy. Once again, I'm gonna put his IG right here. And bro, yeah, man, get some business with him. Get some business with him, because I guarantee you, people will be very pleased. You will have some happy customers. So come on, get on that. Get in it. So anyways, I'm gonna take my time. This is basically a DIY on how to do this. And yeah, so first things first, right? You know, I already have this out. You got to take out your old plate, right? You got to take it all out. This was my old one, right? Completely destroyed mold. You see that rubber bushing? Gone. Pointless. It just keeps happening. I replaced this in my second time doing this, right? Welcome back, guys. I think it's probably like 2-3 weeks later, and we're finally gonna move that my mistake, I can't remember what that is, but that bracket that's holding the that was holding the shifter, and I think it's being held by like it looks like two 12mm bolts. I finally got the car jacked up, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get to it. I'll show you where it is. Also, I do want to let you guys know you don't need to do any cutting. Just give you a heads up, no cutting is included. You don't need to do that. You just need to get under the car, make sure you jack it up safely, and remove those 4 bolts that's holding that bracket, and then that should be it. And then basically we just go ahead and then install it from there. But yeah, let's go ahead and I'll show you where they are. All right, guys, hold up, get in there. All right, so as you can see, there's 2 bolts, right? Those 2 bolts, they look like 12s, and I believe they're 12s. There's 2 on this side, and then 2 on that side. When you can get those off, those should be completely, they should completely come off. I already kind of actually cut mine because I was being too lazy, and I already kind of installed it already, but I'm gonna take it apart and just reinstall it for you guys to show you how to. But yeah, you just gotta take those screws off. So yeah, let's go ahead and knock that out. All right, guys, so here it is, finally out. Obviously, like I said, I kind of like cut it before, try to inside, but yeah, finally out. Only held by 2 and a 12mm bolt, and that's really it. And now it's just time to install the plate. All right, guys, so we're back in the Z right now. Like I said, we cut the brackets, we cut that bracket off, and now we're about to install everything. So first, what I want you guys to do, right, as you can see, the plate is separated from everything else, right? So I decided to put the shifter, the bottom of the shifter, and install it first with the Allen keys. You're definitely gonna need Allen keys, right? You're gonna need a 13 socket to make sure you get these bolts tightened up, because it's gonna be, this is how you're gonna have it. Bottom is a 13 bolt. Top hat, I'm gonna say, is an Allen key, but I'm not sure what size is it. I'm not too familiar with these sizes, so. And that's really it. And then now, right, another thing is too, so once that's the bracket that was holding, that bracket was holding belonged here. So you're gonna have to definitely slide this in. This is the 2-piece, this is the bottom of the shifter. The new shifter that you get, right? You separate it and you install it in there with a new washer that you get. And that's why it's gonna be 2 of them, 1 left, 1 right. And so I'm not sure if it's only me, but you might have to like get it in there, force it in there, because I did have to hammer it a little bit to force it in, and that's it. Like stiff, perfect. And then obviously you're gonna have to use the same hardware that you had originally on the other bracket. Yeah, and that's really it. So you got 1 long screw with the bolt, and it holds it right there. Make sure you tighten it good. And now we'll just do the install. So all right, so before I do anything else that's already done already, I already cleaned this up. I cleaned it up again. As you can see, like I said, I did try to cut everything. Don't worry about that. That's not the right way, but time to put some gasket sealer on. And yeah, either I'm gonna put it on there, probably put it on here. I think probably here would be better. So yeah, give me 1 second. So here's the gasket sealer, ultra black. This is not the one I wanted, but this will do. It'll work the same way. So what I suggest, you should definitely get the ultra black gasket sealer maker. It dries a little bit faster. This is gonna take a little bit longer, but I mean, it's gonna basically work the same way. And basically apply it all around the edges right there. I just laid it down. All right. So now it's probably gonna get a little bit messy here, right? But now we have to try to put this on, right? Oh, sorry, this is upside down. Put it on where we're gonna have to stick the that shifter linkage right there and try to slide it in here. And at the same time, right, obviously it's going to be hard for me because I'm recording at the same time, is basically while doing that, get the shifter, your new shifter, and try to catch it with the threads. And once you can do that, boom, that'll be it. So now let's go ahead and try to do that. All right, guys, so I was able to get it in. Like I said, you just have to try to hold it up with an angle, right? Have your hands under, and I basically had the plate tilting this way, right? Obviously without the camera, and basically just hold like while having the bottom of the shift linkage holding up like this, like cuffing it, and obviously make sure you're having it through the hole right here, and then getting the shifter and then start twisting it on. That's really it. So right now I gotta finish twisting it, and then yeah, and then basically bolt these down, which is, if I'm not mistaken, 12 also. Bolt them down, and yeah, and that'll basically be it. So yeah, let's go ahead and finish it. All right, guys, and that's it. Bolt it all up. He's good, tight. Yes, sir. Look at that. That feels amazing. First, second, third, fourth. Oh, now it's fourth. That's neutral. Yeah, this is neutral. Fourth, you can hear it lock in. Fifth. Yeah, fifth is not in. Wait, is it? But yeah, boom, 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 boom. Wow. And that's reverse. Yes, sir, and that's it, guys. I will try to get a nice POV for you guys to see how it feels and sounds. Oh, sorry, not sound, but how it feels and stuff. I've already test driven it already. It feels smooth like butter, but I'm gonna make sure to get this on live camera, everything. And yeah, man. Once again, shout out to Chris at MFS. Like, big thank you. Big thank you for even making something like this. This is very innovative, and I couldn't be more grateful for it. I'm gonna put the link down below. I'm gonna put his IG and everything down below. I believe the abbreviation for MFS means made from scratch.com designs or something like that. And yeah, bro, get at him. He has other stuff he does. He does a lot of 3D printing too, but everything is usually for Z32 chassis alone, if I'm not mistaken. But you guys go ahead and check it out. Yeah, big shout out to you, bro. Thank you again, Chris. And yeah, man, hopefully more to come and more Z content this year. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe button, comment, share. This year's a very big year. And yeah, man, and I'm gonna give you what you guys want. Everybody wants the Z32 channel content. You know, I meant content. You guys are gonna get it. So let's get it. Jamzter, love you guys. And man, yeah, deuces. And we got a lot more stuff coming. I'm not gonna reveal it yet, but you will see. So, oh, also, you guys go follow my Instagram at JDM Jamzter to keep posted and whatnot. But yeah, deuces, guys.